How to cancel your Amazon Prime subscription. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. If you're trying to cancel the subscription of your Amazon Prime or your Prime Video subscription, you can easily do it within a few steps. So for that, we're gonna need to open up the website of primevideo.com. So open up your web browsers and search for primevideo.com. Once you're here, you'll need to just log into your account. And once the login is complete, tap on the profile icon which is on the top right. Once you do, you'll be able to see a couple of options right here. You just tap on the option which says accounts and settings. From your accounts and settings tab, under your accounts, you'll be able to see an option which says end membership. You can tap on it and you can just tap on end. Now even if you end your membership right away, you'll still be able to watch other videos on Prime Video until this date. So make sure you take the benefit of that. And that's about it for today's video, and I hope this video helped you out. If it did, subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.